Attention WhatsApp users. A new feature is coming soon. You'll be able to talk directly to Meta AI using your voice. Attention WhatsApp users. A new feature is coming for groups. Soon you will be able to set both start and end times for group events. Attention WhatsApp users. A new feature is here. You can now view all your forwarded files in one place, making it easy to delete them all with just one click and free up your storage space. Attention WhatsApp users. A new feature is coming. You can make your emojis dance. Just enable the autoplay animated images option to enjoy this feature. Are you excited about this new feature? Share your thoughts in the comments. Attention WhatsApp users. New features are coming to video calls. You can now use AR call effects, filters, and backgrounds on video calls, including low light mode for better visibility, a touch-up tool for your best look, and options to blur or customize your background. Say goodbye to dull video calls.